Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into one of the most requested topics for outdoor enthusiasts, the covered pergola. To put it simply, a covered pergola is an architectural outdoor structure consisting of columns that support a roofing grid, typically beams and rafters, which is then topped with a protective cover. Unlike a traditional open-top pergola that only offers partial shade, a covered pergola incorporates materials like polycarbonate panels, metal sheets, fabric retractable awnings, or even fixed wood slats to provide a solid barrier against the elements. It serves as a permanent extension of your home, blurring the line between your indoor comfort and the beauty of the great outdoors. The benefits of installing a covered pergola on your patio are truly transformative for any homeowner. First and foremost, it offers unparalleled weather protection, allowing you to enjoy your backyard whether it is a scorching summer day or a drizzly spring afternoon. This structure significantly extends your living space, effectively creating an outdoor room that can house expensive furniture, electronics, or outdoor kitchens without the constant fear of water damage. Beyond the functional utility, a covered pergola adds substantial curb appeal and resale value to your property. It creates a defined architectural focal point in your landscape and provides a much-needed cooling effect, reducing the ambient temperature of your patio and making your home more energy efficient by shading nearby windows. Decorating your covered pergola is all about layering textures and light to create an inviting atmosphere. Start by treating the ceiling as a design element. You can hang elegant outdoor chandeliers, string Edison bulbs for a warm glow, or even install ceiling fans to keep the air moving. To make the space feel cozy, incorporate high-quality outdoor rugs that define the seating area and use weather-resistant curtains on the sides to add a touch of romance and privacy. Don't forget the power of greenery. Climbing vines like wisteria or jasmine can soften the structural lines, while large potted palms add a tropical flair. Finally, mix and match oversized throw pillows and plush blankets on your furniture to bring that indoor lounge comfort to your patio, ensuring the space feels like a true sanctuary rather than just a backyard structure. Choosing the right materials is crucial for both the longevity and aesthetics of your covered pergola. For the primary structure, cedar and redwood are top-tier natural choices because they are inherently resistant to rot and insects while offering a timeless, high-end look. If you prefer low-maintenance, high-quality aluminum or vinyl are fantastic alternatives that won't warp or require frequent staining. When it comes to the cover itself, polycarbonate panels are a popular modern choice because they are impact-resistant and can block UV rays while still letting in natural light. For a more traditional feel, standing seam metal roofing provides a sleek, industrial aesthetic and incredible durability. If flexibility is your priority, heavy-duty waterproof canvas for retractable systems allows you to choose between a clear sky or full protection at the touch of a button. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here's the compilation of the top 10 best covered pergola for patio ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern minimalist louvered retreat. This design features a sophisticated white metal pergola with an adjustable louvered roof system. The clean lines are complemented by high-end gray upholstered seating and a sleek built-in fireplace. It's the perfect example of how a modern structure can provide both ventilation and full rain protection while maintaining a high-fashion aesthetic. 2. The classic suburban fan-cooled oasis. This expansive cream-colored pergola is attached directly to the home's roofline, creating a seamless transition. Equipped with dual outdoor ceiling fans and integrated track lighting, This design ensures the patio remains cool and functional well into the evening, making it ideal for large family gatherings. 3. The rustic stone and timber fire pit lounge. Centering around a massive circular stone fire pit, this heavy timber pergola uses thick pillars to support a grand gabled roof. The warm wood tones and curved wicker seating create a campfire vibe that is elevated by professional architectural lighting, perfect for cozy autumn nights. 4. The Chef's Dream Outdoor Kitchen Pavilion. This functional masterpiece uses a crisp white pergola to house a full-scale outdoor kitchen and bar. The inclusion of a ceiling fan and a solid translucent roof allows the home chef to grill and entertain in any weather, while the stone-topped island provides a luxurious spot for guests to dine. 5. The Contemporary Hearth and Patio Haven. Combining rugged stone textures with modern architecture, this pergola features a stunning stone-clad fireplace as its anchor. The dark wood beams contrast beautifully with the light stone flooring, creating a balanced, high-contrast look that feels both grounded and incredibly luxurious. 6. The Mediterranean Pillar and Awning Porch. Inspired by classical architecture, this design utilizes stately white columns to support a wooden pergola fitted with a striped retractable fabric awning. This look is perfect for homeowners who want a traditional, breezy aesthetic with the flexibility to tuck the cover away when the sun is just right. 7. The Integrated Brick Pillar Veranda. By using the same brickwork as the main house for the pergola's pillars, this design looks like a natural part of the original architecture. The recessed pot lighting in the ceiling and the inclusion of a water feature nearby create a tranquil, high-end hotel atmosphere in a private backyard setting. 8. The Grand Lit Timber Estate Pergola. This massive L-shaped structure defines multiple zones, from a dining area to a casual lounge. The stone base of the pillars includes integrated path lighting, while the dark stained wood adds a sense of drama against the twilight sky, proving that a covered pergola can be a true work of art. 9. The Zen Glasstop Urban Patio. For those who want a view of the sky without the rain, this black-framed pergola with transparent panels is the answer. It features a modern hanging pendant light and a minimalist fireplace, offering a sleek, solarium feel that keeps the space bright and airy even on cloudy days. 10. The Red Cedar Poolside Cabana. This vibrant design uses rich, reddish-toned wood and bold red cushions to create a high-energy relaxation spot. The retractable tan fabric cover provides a soft, diffused light that is perfect for lounging by the pool with a book, shielded from the direct glare of the sun. Building a covered pergola is one of the best investments you can make for your home. It's more than just a renovation. It's an upgrade to your lifestyle, giving you a place to make memories with friends and family regardless of what the weather is doing outside. Whether you prefer the sleek look of modern metal or the warm, rustic charm of natural timber, there is a covered pergola design that will perfectly fit your home's personality. If you enjoyed these ideas and want to see more home transformation tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs. We're here to help you turn your house into the home of your dreams. Comment below and let us know which of these 10 designs was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.